But now they wanna talk cause I'm doing well. Oh well, I'm making mullah and these niggas jealous, can't you tell? Like oh well, didn't believe in the kid, look now I'm shining. It's God's timing, I've been grinding. But
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a sleek back ponytail on full C thick natural hair. So first thing I'm going to do is comb up my hair with a comb, and I'm going to oil, moisturize and wet my hair, and I'm just starting to spice it. But yeah. Okay, so here I just did my parting and I'm sectioning it out, so I know which part of my hair I want to be like down, and the part I've sectioned in back, I'm going to sneak it back to the other ponytail that I just did before, if you understand what I mean. Just like watch the look and then you'll understand.
For every day you're going to buy YouTube in a toilet. That one is. What's that lesson?
So now I'm applying my Murray's to the part of my hair that I want to be sleek. Oh wait, first I'm putting my oil on it to put it back into the ponytail. But with the plait side, the side that I've plaited, I'm going to apply my Murray's, which is the extra hold to make it sleek. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but that's what I use. It's alright with my hair. Sometimes I use that, sometimes I use Eco, but Eco doesn't really work as well. So yeah. Now I'm just trying to fix it to my desire, and I'm going to apply more gel off camera, and I'm going to tie my head down. I won't be able to show you when, like, the finished products, because I need to get this video out today. And now I'm just doing some foolishness, but yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me any more videos you want me to do, any more hair tutorials you want me to do. And yeah, bye LP gang.